हेलो everybody, this is Roya from How to Do It. गर्मी तो बहुत है बाहर. मैंने एक रेसिपी लेके आया जिसका नाम है वाटरमेलन फेटा चीज सैलड. तो देखते हैं कैसे बनता है. So for a watermelon feta cheese salad, we obviously will be requiring a watermelon at first. Next we require is a lemon. I'm using lemon. You guys can also use lime if required, but lemon is much more recommended because lemon is sweeter and a lime is sour. So lemon it is. Next we require is a little mint leaves, extra virgin olive oil, few pistachios, and lastly feta cheese. First step, cut the watermelon in half. So I cut it in half and I'm going to use only one half because I'm going to eat it all by myself. It depends how many people are going to make, but you guys can use a whole watermelon. So carefully just cut the watermelon and obviously cut the white parts because they are bitter and you want the red parts. So cut the white parts, get the red out of the watermelon. Cut it in slices and then into cubes. So once the cubes are done, transfer them into a bowl. Once the watermelon is diced up, you can keep it inside a refrigerator to cool it down. Meanwhile, we can work on the next part, which is cutting the lime or lemon. You can either grate it or you could cut it. In my case, I'm going to cut it. Once the lemon is diced up, you can add it inside the bowl. This actually adds a texture to the salad. After that, you have to squeeze one lime inside the bowl. All of them are added up. Just give it a nice mix. Take some pudina leaves or mint leaves and then chop them up. Or like to mince them, but like chop them. Once you mince the pudina leaves, mint leaves, just add them up. Season it with salt and pepper. Crush some pistachios. So that was the watermelon feta cheese recipe done at home and in a very cheaper way.